Hello, my name is Alain, and this is my demo for my app. First, we start out in relative layout. Let's go ahead and run that. r.layout.relative. I have my three different layouts up here. It's for some reason my recording software is acting up when I make the videos. It's really long, so I'm gonna try to make this as short as possible. I'm gonna try to stretch out the errors across the three different layouts. The logic is all the same for catching the errors, um, but I can't make it too long, or else for some reason it doesn't save the file properly. Uh, it's booting it up right now. Here's this one. As you can see, no matter what I type, I'm not pressing shift or anything, it automatically capitalizes the first word. It's the same thing for last name. Phone, no matter what I press, if I press Q, if I press A, it does 2. If I press Q, it does 7. No matter what I press, it's all numbers. There were no restrictions on the email. Anything is valid there. As for username, let me type in a valid one for now. And I'll test out the password in this layout. So the second password will have an extra one at the end of it. Here is the radio buttons. Selecting one unselects the other. Let's go ahead and here's a spinner for the list of countries. USA, not USA. Let's go ahead and submit. As you can see, the toast pops up. Please review your errors and highlights them red. So let me go ahead and fix this. Take out the S and let me resubmit it. Your form has been submitted. So a different toast pops up when everything checks out. Let's go ahead and change it, and I'll show you linear layout right now, and I'll test out some of the other features. I'm just trying to get through this as quickly as possible because of my camera recording software. For some reason, it's acting up. Sorry about that. Okay, it looks like it's loading right now. It does take a while. It's back to the start screen. Okay, I'll let me demo the clear button. Let me just stick some fields in. I need email address, password. Like as you can see, they're all stars. If I do clear, you can see that the radio button group has been cleared, and as well as all the other fields. And as you can see, as with the other layout, it's too big to hold all on one on screen, so let's go ahead and submit. Please review your errors. Of course, everything is an error. Everything gets highlighted red because there are no fields. So, yeah, that tests out that functionality. And let's go ahead and jump into table layout as the last one. And I'll go ahead and I'll test, let's see here. I'll test the names. Check if passwords match. Email address. I already checked if passwords match. Let's go ahead and run that. I run checks that changed it to red. I scrolled. I notified by the toast of an error that occurs. I ran a check, and if everything was okay, I just said that your form was submitted. Okay, here's a table layout. Let's go ahead and put some valid information. It's kind of hard not to for the first two, especially for phone. Email, let's go ahead and put a valid one. Username, if I put in John, let's put in John first. Password, QWE, pick a gender. Its default is USA. Let's go ahead and submit. You can see here that this wasn't accepted. Okay, so if I type in Mike, I try to submit it, wasn't accepted. And if I try to type in just a regular username that is in the list, says your form has been submitted. And selecting one unselects the other. Clearing everything, clears all fields. Submitting, everything's clear. Everything turns red. And that's the last layout. Please let me know if there's anything that you need to see. I'll be more than happy to show it to you. I'm just trying to get this done because my thing is acting up. Thank you.